This conference will now be recorded.
Peace, family. This is phase 3, class 2, throwing objects. So we learned how to do texturing in class 1. So if you guys wanted to incorporate texturing in this model, you could go ahead and do that as well. But for today, we're going to start off with Maximo. I taught this in phase 1 classes. So you guys should be pretty familiar with those animation. This is quick animation for those who probably came into the course a little late. But this is where I get my some of my animation characters. I already have my avatar built. And by the way, if you guys need an avatar built, please DM me or book a consultation so we can go over that for you guys. For you guys, it is 10% off. Just letting you guys know. But let's get into it. What I want you guys to do is go to the top here and type in throwing. And the one that I want you guys to choose is the throwing object, okay? So this is what it should look like. Now, if you don't have an avatar made, don't worry about it. They do have characters. Um, sorry. They do have characters already made, and you can just import this into Blender for now until you get your actual avatar made. These are some pretty cute little avatars. So we're just learning how to maximize our resources and to get jobs done quicker. So back to animations, type in throwing, and choose a third one. And this should be what you guys have. Now we are going to go back into Blender, and this is my viewport screen. I've already imported the actual ball that we will be throwing, and I made it to where she's going to be picking that ball up with her hand. So what I want you guys to do is add in a ball. Let me see what kind of ball this is. No, don't add that ball. Go to the regular mesh. Go to UV sphere, because if you go to circle, you're just going to get a flat circle, okay? So go ahead and add the UV sphere. When you add the UV sphere, remember to come over here to add modifiers, subdivision surface, and then shade smooth, and then S for resizing, okay? Let me delete that. And your character should look like so when grabbing the object. I haven't made her grab the object as of yet. So, and something else that I'm going to be working on is learning how to speed up the anime when it is imported from a third party like Maximo, because this makes my entire application go really, really slow. And I do not like that at all. Um, and if you're wondering why my background is pink, it is because I use the techniques from class 1 and just changed my background. You guys should already know how to do that. Go to, I believe, world properties, background, change color. You can come in here and add a picture if you want to, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So go ahead and finish this part, and I will be back with part 2.